Hello Saber Forum, this is Darth Arcanus here with my first video because my Saber arrived in the delivery this morning from FedEx, and so I just thought I'd do a little unboxing and have a look what I've got. So there's a lot of these little packing beads which are going to go everywhere. And we go, and we go. Yep, they've gone everywhere, as I kind of thought they might. And always the way, you're recording a video, somebody calls. And then undo. Wow. We have, I believe, a Dominix. There we are. Yes. It's actually quite a lot heavier than I thought it would be. It's a funny thing because I had a bit of a sneaky suspicion it might have been a Dominix that arrived. But yes. So much fun to be had. I will be doing a proper review video later, but for now, this is Darth Arcanus signing off.